guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you everybody? Everybody good? Alhamdulillah. And now I want to make a reaction. I think there is not reaction song from Barzanje-Bistuma, because I think this song slow music. So I want to try hear this song. So if there is not reaction, please don't be angry with me. Okay, let's start watching. I like Nafik Zardi. Good voice, Nafik Zardi. I like it, Nafik Zardi. I'm fans Nafik Zardi. You fans Nafik Zardi? With me, yes.
يادت كردون وينك عم الدر هنا وما تكردون يسوم الزور بشيماني مقني عزار وقرياني من أمزاني كانت واني لبيرم كي بأساني أزانم زور دلتن
MashaAllah, beautiful. Beautiful. Sana. So sweet.
بالسوم الزور بيرمكي لنا ضل تاجيرمكي همور روجيك مساليك زانت شون بيرمكي لي وكانت بيمانا موجا وكانت ميخانا مو همور روجي بينيني تخلي ايكي شيطانا مو ازانم زور دلتن
Why I sad?
مني شورتو بافروش لدى الصنداح السهوش لدى الصنداح السهوش
So sweet. I like this song. You look, I said. Almost cry. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Visit my YouTube channel. Don't forget you support me. With you subscribe, like, and comment. Okay. What your favorite song? You request. and later I want to make video request time again. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.